Hello, and welcome to a new episode of Discover Daily, the AI-generated podcast curated by Perplexity to satisfy your curiosity about the latest in tech, science, and culture. I'm your host, Alex, and in today's episode, we'll explore a range of fascinating topics, from Elon Musk's controversial decision to redirect AI chips to the recent ChatGPT outage that left millions of users in the dark. We'll also discuss how AI is revolutionizing weather forecasting, take a look at a major security breach affecting high-profile TikTok accounts, and finally, we'll travel back in time to examine the groundbreaking work of Ada Lovelace and her visionary insights into the future of computing. Let's get right to it. Elon Musk has made a bold move that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. The billionaire entrepreneur has reportedly redirected a staggering 12,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, originally intended for Tesla, to his social media company, X, and his AI startup, xAI. This decision has left Tesla facing a delay in receiving over $500 million worth of processors, potentially setting back the company's autonomy-related efforts by billions of dollars in time value. The implications of this move are far-reaching. Tesla had grand plans to nearly triple its deployment of NVIDIA H100 chips by the end of 2023, with a whopping $10 billion investment in AI for training and inference, primarily in cars. Now, with the delay in receiving these crucial chips, Tesla's development of autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots, which heavily rely on advanced AI processors, could be significantly hindered. It's a situation that has raised concerns among Tesla investors who are counting on Musk to deliver on his promise of fully autonomous vehicles. Speaking of tech troubles, ChatGPT, the wildly popular AI chatbot, recently experienced a massive outage that left millions of users worldwide in the lurch. The first signs of trouble appeared in the wee hours of the morning on June 4, 2024, and despite OpenAI's efforts to fix the issue, the service faced recurring problems throughout the day, leading to a second major outage later that morning. The disruption affected all ChatGPT-related services, although the API remained unscathed. Users reported a range of issues, from the inability to log in to send messages or receive responses from the chatbot. The outage sparked a flood of complaints on social media and platforms like Down Detector, highlighting just how much people have come to rely on ChatGPT for tasks like coding, brainstorming, and writing reports. Interestingly, other AI services like Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity also experienced issues around the same time, although not to the same extent as ChatGPT. This simultaneous failure of multiple AI services led to speculation and humorous reactions on social media, with users comparing the situation to a return to the Middle Ages and expressing concerns about their reliance on AI tools. On a more positive note, AI is making incredible strides in the field of weather forecasting. Recent advancements have shown that AI models can outperform traditional physics-based models in various tasks and resolutions. Take Microsoft's Aurora model, for example. By leveraging vast datasets, including climate simulations, reanalysis products, and operational forecasts, Aurora has demonstrated superior accuracy and efficiency compared to state-of-the-art numerical weather prediction models. But it's not just about raw performance. AI models are also proving to be valuable tools for operational forecasting thanks to their ability to produce skillful forecasts quickly and at a lower computational cost. Startups like Windborne Systems are even combining AI with innovative data collection methods, such as long-duration weather balloons, to gather atmospheric data from under-observed areas, further enhancing the accuracy of AI-based weather models. The integration of AI in weather forecasting is seen as a transformative development, with potential applications across various industries, from agriculture to transportation and disaster preparedness. However, not all tech news is good news. A recent security breach has affected high-profile TikTok accounts, including those of celebrities and brands such as Paris Hilton, CNN, and Sony. The breach involves malicious code transmitted through direct messages on the platform. And here's the kicker. The malware doesn't require any user action beyond opening the DM, making it particularly dangerous. TikTok has acknowledged the breach and is working with affected users to restore account access and improve security. In the meantime, users are advised to avoid opening DMs until the issue is resolved and to follow best practices for account security, such as enabling two-factor authentication and regularly updating passwords. This incident is part of a series of security challenges faced by TikTok, underscoring the importance of robust cybersecurity measures, especially for high-profile accounts. Finally, let's take a step back in time to appreciate the groundbreaking work of Ada Lovelace, a true pioneer in the field of computer science. Her notebooks, particularly her Notes on the Analytical Engine, published in 1843, are a testament to her deep understanding of mathematics and her visionary insights into the future of computing. In her notes, Lovelace provided a comprehensive explanation of how Charles Babbage's analytical engine would function if it were built, describing it as a programmable computer rather than just a calculator. She even included what is often considered the first computer program, designed to calculate Bernoulli numbers using a recursive algorithm. But perhaps most impressively, Lovelace understood and articulated the concept of a general-purpose computer, noting that the analytical engine could, in theory, perform any calculation or operation that could be described mathematically. Her work laid the groundwork for many concepts that are fundamental to computer science today, and her visionary ideas about the potential applications of computing, from composing music to exploring artificial intelligence, continue to inspire us nearly 2 centuries later. Well, that's all for today's episode of Discover Daily. If you want to learn more about any of the topics we covered, be sure to check out the links in the episode description. And if you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to Discover Daily on your favorite podcast platform. You can also download the Perplexity app on Android or iOS. We'll be back tomorrow with another episode, so until then, stay curious.